In this video, I will show you how to correctly describe the number of rooms, bathrooms, and any other sleeping space on your VRBO listing. Try and do this from their website. You won't be able to do this from their phone app. Once you're logged into VRBO, just go over to the top right section. You will see Owner Dashboard. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then click on Property in the left menu. And then click on Edit Property. And on the next page, click on Rooms and Spaces, which is the fourth option here. And then click on Rooms and Spaces Details. This is where you can define any bathrooms or bedrooms you have in your property. You can just click on plus add bedroom or bathroom. That will open up this menu, and then you can choose what kind of space you're trying to add. Click on Next. And here you can give it a name like kids room. And then you can choose the kind of bed you have in that space. After that, you can just increase the count if you have more than one bed there. And don't forget to choose this option, bed sheets provided, if you are, I'm assuming you provide a bed sheet, which is pretty standard for short-term rentals. And then just click on Save. And that is how you add bedrooms and bathrooms. But if you have sleeping space in your living room, for example, if you have a sofa bed, you will need to click on this second option, add another space. And then you need to choose what kind of area that is, whether it is a living room or an office. And then again, it will let you choose the kind of bed you have. You can add the number of beds, but it doesn't give you that option to choose linen provided or not. And then you can just click on Save. This is how you can add the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and any other living space in your VRBO listing. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.